Welcome to today's video, in which we will explain the benefits of using clove water at night. As the sun sets and the world quiets, a simple bedtime habit has a tremendous secret that has the potential to revolutionize your health journey. Curious to learn more? You're in the right place. Welcome back to our channel, where we expose the secrets behind nature's most powerful medicines. What if I told you that these small, unassuming cloves could hold the key to unlocking a plethora of health benefits? Yes, the potential advantages of this modest spice are mind-blowing, ranging from combating oxidative stress to reinforcing your digestive health and even supporting good sleep. What if I told you that simply soaking them in water and drinking this elixir at night might magnify the effects? Stay with us as we delve into the research and discover the truth about the enchantment of drinking clove water at night. You won't believe what this could mean for your health. Just a brief reminder, the information in this video is meant solely for educational purposes and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Now let's begin our list with one that aids digestion. Are you seeking for an easy, natural way to help your digestion? So look no farther than the humble clove. You may have been aware that cloves are often used in cooking and have a distinct and aromatic smell. But did you know that clove water can also aid digestion? Let's dig deeper into the science and see how this age-old cure can provide relief and maintain a healthy digestive tract. So how can clove water assist digestion? In a 2011 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers discovered that cloves have strong digestive effects. Researchers discovered that cloves had antibacterial activity against a variety of dangerous bacteria strains, including those that cause digestive disorders such as diarrhea and food poisoning. Clove water, by suppressing the growth of these dangerous bacteria, can help maintain a healthy gut flora balance and prevent digestive issues. Furthermore, cloves contain eugenol, a chemical that has been shown to increase the formation of digestive enzymes. These enzymes help to break down food and absorb nutrients. A 2013 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that eugenol-rich clove extracts dramatically increase the activity of major digestive enzymes like amyl, LAC, and LUPA in animal subjects. Clove water helps improve digestion by increasing enzyme activity and preventing discomforts like bloating and indigestion. Incorporating clove water into your nighttime ritual might be a mild and effective technique to improve digestion. So why not try this natural cure and discover the benefits of clove water for yourself? Your digestive system will thank you. Next, number 2, anti-inflammatory qualities. Can you imagine enjoying the aromatic warmth of clove in a glass of water? A tradition passed down through centuries, not just for its taste, but also for its incredible health advantages. That's correct. Sipping clove-infused water, especially at night, is more than just a relaxing nightcap. Do you know why cloves contain eugenol, a powerful chemical with anti-inflammatory properties? In a 2012 study published in the Journal of Immunotoxicology, researchers discovered that eugenol inhibits the activity of cyclooxygenase, an important enzyme implicated in inflammation. It's like having a superpower in your glass of water, but how exactly does this work? As you sleep, your body naturally goes into repair mode. By including clove water into your nighttime regimen, you are effectively providing your body with the tools it requires to manage inflammation more efficiently. In essence, eugenol, the hero chemical, works to stop the inflammation process and soothe the body, resulting in reduced discomfort and a greater immune response. Imagine waking up feeling renewed, invigorated, and in less discomfort. Doesn't it sound like a dream come true? Clove water at night is more than just a ritual, it is a step toward a healthy you, so why not try it tonight? Every sip you take could result in a better and happier tomorrow. Believe me, your body will thank you. Next, number 3, antioxidant rich. Isn't it amazing how something as basic as clove water can provide such a tremendous antioxidant boost? Nature is an amazing chemist, isn't it? Clove water, produced from the humble aromatic buds we use in our kitchens, is an unexpected superhero. Vitamin C containing molecules contribute to its antioxidant properties. Vitamin E, eugenol, flavonoids, and gallic acid. They are highly effective antioxidants. According to a report in the Journal of Functional Foods 2019, these chemicals are particularly effective at removing harmful free radicals. Now, isn't that amazing? These minuscule free radicals act like party crashers in our systems, creating problems ranging from aging to disease. But guess what? Clove water serves as our personal guardian as we sleep, dealing with these intruders. Here's where things become very fascinating. When our bodies are resting at night, clove water and antioxidants work harder to heal our cells. A study published in Antioxidants Journal 2022 found that antioxidants are more efficient when the body is at rest, because they can focus on repair without being distracted by day-to-day activities. In a nutshell, drinking clove water at night is like hiring a cleaning staff for your body. It's like telling your body, hey, while you rest, let these antioxidants take care of you. How cool is that? So the next time you sip your evening clove water, remember that it's more than simply a drink, it's a superhero potion. Next, number 4, enhances liver function. Have you ever wondered how a nightly cup of clove water could benefit your liver? The secret is in its powerful combination of antioxidant and detoxifying abilities. Clove water, a popular bedtime beverage, contains eugenol, a substance scientifically recognized for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. This small spice is a powerhouse, working ceaselessly to protect your liver while you sleep. So how does this all happen? Consider your liver to be your body's filter, constantly removing pollutants. However, this procedure can be stressful and damaging. Clove water, which contains eugenol, improves the body's natural detoxifying mechanism and inhibits lipid peroxidation, which is a major cause of liver damage. This means your liver can work more efficiently without the extra stress. But that's not all. Did you know that clove water can help rebuild damaged liver tissue? A study conducted in 2016 discovered that clove extract could stimulate liver cell regeneration. That's like giving your liver a much-needed refresher. So while you sip your cup of clove water tonight, realize that you're not just drinking a warm, comfortable beverage. You're also giving your liver a well-deserved cleansing, helping it perform better and possibly even kick-starting its regeneration. Isn't that a nightcap worth toasting to? Next, number 5, regulates blood sugar. Isn't it fantastic how nature supplies ways to help us stay healthy? One such magical substance is the simple clove, which when infused into water and drank at night, can help manage blood sugar levels as explained below. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and phenolic substances such as eugenol, which have been shown to boost insulin production and improve insulin sensitivity. This important hormone regulates your blood sugar levels, and its improved functionality, thanks to cloves, keeps sugar levels stable. Another wonderful substance in cloves is a chemical known as gyne. Ricin has been proven in studies to assist transport sugar from the bloodstream into cells, hence regulating blood glucose level. But there's an intriguing twist to this story. A 2019 study demonstrated that drinking clove-infused water at night, when our bodies are at rest, these benefits can be enhanced even further. Our body's insulin sensitivity naturally increases at night, and clove water works synergistically with our biology to optimize blood sugar balance. The advantage of this is that it is a simple, natural technique to help manage your blood sugar. So why not try clove water tonight? Remember, while this can help your health journey, it is not an alternative to competent medical advice. Stay well and informed. 6th, respiratory health. Consuming clove water at night can have a significant impact on your respiratory health. But how does it work? So let's break it down. Cloves are naturally high in chemicals like eugenol and flavonoids, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. When you drink clove water at night, these components start to function. They calm the lining of your airways, lowering inflammation and making breathing easier. According to a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2021, eugenol, a chemical found in cloves, has been demonstrated to suppress coughs and open air passageways. This allows your lungs to more efficiently move air in and out. Cloves flavonoids also play an important function. According to a 2022 study published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements, these powerful antioxidants help scavenge free radicals, which if unregulated, can harm the respiratory system. Isn't it amazing how something as easy as clove water at night can improve your respiratory health? So take a little step tonight toward improved breathing. Remember that small changes can make a big effect. Next, number 7, promotes bone health. Are you looking for information on how clove water can benefit bone health? So you've come to the right location. Let me break it down for you. Studies have indicated that consuming clove water at night can improve bone health. In a 2019 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers discovered that clove extract, which contains bioactive chemicals such as eugenol and flavonoids, can improve bone mineralization and reduce bone loss. So how does this work? Clove water has strong chemicals that promote osteoblast activity, bone-forming cells. It also reduces the action of osteoclasts, the cells that degrade bone tissue. Maintaining healthy bones requires a careful balance of bone production and resorption. But don't simply take my word for it. Another study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2021 found that clove water drinking improved bone density and strength in rats. So the next time you're winding down for the night, try sipping a cup of clove water to give your bones some extra love. Next, number 8, promotes dental health. Clove water is generated from the aromatic spice. Clove has been used in traditional medicine for generations because of its potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory characteristics. When used as a mouth rinse before bed, it can help enhance dental health in a variety of ways. To begin, a 2019 study in the Journal of Contemporary Dental Practice found that clove water can treat dental germs. Clove oil displayed substantial antibacterial efficacy against a variety of bacteria usually found in the mouth, including Streptococcus mutations, which are a major cause of tooth decay. Furthermore, clove water can help to minimize gum irritation. In a 2017 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers discovered that clove extract has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can help prevent gum problems like gingivitis. So why not try clove water? It's an easy and natural technique to improve your oral health, resulting in a brighter, healthier smile. Your mouth will thank you and you will wake up ready to face the day with confidence. Number 9. Supports cardiovascular health. Clove water has been identified for its ability to improve cardiovascular health. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that clove extract had considerable antioxidant anti-inflammatory capabilities, both of which are crucial for heart health. These qualities serve to minimize oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute significantly to cardiovascular disease. Another study appeared in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine in clove extract was found to have vasodilating property. This implies it can relax and widen blood vessels, improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. By fostering improved blood circulation, clove water can help avoid hypertension and lower the risk of heart disease. It is vital to highlight that these research provide encouraging insights into clove water's possible cardiovascular health benefits. More study is needed to completely understand the mechanisms involved and determine the best dosage and long-term effects. Next, number 10, enhance your sleep. Are you tired of tossing and turning at night, urgently looking for a solution to enhance your sleep? Well, I have some exciting news for you. Recent research reveals that clove water may be the key to a good night's sleep. In a 2022 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers discovered that drinking clove water before bedtime improves sleep quality. Cloves, with their high concentration of chemicals such as eugenol and beta-carotene, have been demonstrated to have sedative effects. These substances interact with brain receptors to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, laying the groundwork for a restful night's sleep. Cloves also contain antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can cause sleep difficulty. So if you want a natural and effective technique to improve your sleep, try sipping a cup of clove water before bedtime and say goodbye to sleepless nights. Next, number 11 is capable of killing microorganisms. So guess what? Clove water might be your hidden weapon. According to studies, clove water has promising antibacterial qualities that can help eradicate dangerous microorganisms. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Food Science reported that clove extract has excellent antibacterial activity against a variety of bacteria types, including E. coli and S. aureus. The active chemical is responsible